Hello everyone, today we'll cook a very delicious juicy cottage cheese casserole. Bon appetit! Mash the cottage cheese thoroughly. Add salt, sugar, vanillin. Add eggs. Now we need to mix everything thoroughly until smooth. You can add raisins, dried fruits, or nuts if desired. I used raisins. Our mass is ready. Grease our form with a piece of butter. Transfer the mass and level it. We will bake in the oven at a temperature of 180 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. We will be guided by the color of the casserole. Our casserole is ready. I cut it hot because the kids couldn't wait. It turned out very juicy and very delicious. Try to cook, and you will not regret. And if you liked the video, support me. Like,